Hey there everybody, welcome back to FinBear channel. Today we're going to do an update on VeChain, which is actually a cryptocurrency. We're going to look at it on TradingView, which is an online platform that I personally love. It's a great learning platform for charts. It's for crypto, it's for stocks, it's for futures, it's got everything. It's a great one-stop shop, and not only that, like when you click in on it, it will show you the prices per exchange for the exchanges that are connected with TradingView. So right now, this is VeChain versus the USD on the Binance US exchange. So that's, in case you guys don't know, if you're not familiar with crypto, that sometimes when you look at the price of something, it might look different on the various exchanges. That's because they have their own spreads. And I'll do a video on spreads down the road. And I promise to do more crypto updates starting on the weekend so I can really dive in on it for people because I know it's so new and it's going to take time, and I want you guys to be able to understand it. But this is just an overview on price action. The one thing you do need to understand, though, is that when it comes to cryptocurrency, technical analysis is, yes, helpful, but it's not as accurate, I would say, as it is with stocks. Because, yes, the market itself has memory. So does Forex even, when you're talking about exchange rates and where the charts like to, end up. Ideally, crypto should have that same pattern, but sentiment and volume can take a chart analysis completely out of it. Like, nope, nope, nope. Uh, and remember, so what we're looking at is volume based off that exchange as well. And that's what makes it a little bit harder to really do a true technical analysis, at least from my experience for crypto. But as you can see here, we've got VeChain. I was one of the few fortunate ones to get in all the way down in here, so I've got a couple thousand. But there's been some really good momentum and growth, and there's been some concerns lately because it's dipped like it has. And understand the whole crypto market world has dipped. A lot of funds have been changed because of things that are going on Wall Street. There's also things going on with the Fed checking on taxing of it. Also, you've got issues with it being a safe haven place for illegal activities and laundering and such. So there's been a mini exodus and restructuring of things going on and how people approach this. But I have a feeling we're going to see a pump again. We're not in 2017 zone just yet. And if you've been in crypto for a while, you'll know what that reference means. So we're doing good. As you can see here, some of these lows, I mean, goodness gracious, on May 19th, it hit as low as 6 cents. And I actually bought back in down there. And as you can see, with the tech analysis, at its low, it hit this area of previous support that was once resistance, and it served as a support. And thank goodness for that low support line holding us up. So it's like, nah, you shall not pass, right? Okay, so price has gone up. And so this is now, this level right here, we had consolidation previously, has sort of become a de facto area of support as well. Whereas up here has become the resistance point for us. Here you can see it touched it briefly. Here we crossed it and dropped back down. I have a feeling that we're going to channel here possibly for a little bit. Bollinger Bands, I can't even talk. Bollinger Bands are starting to smooth out because it was so wild because of this wild action where literally all altcoins were doing this. I mean, it ran all the way to 27 cents. So it's just rebreathing. It's coming back. Trust me. This is what I believe. I have to believe it. I'm in it. So we are trading here and there volume-wise above the normal. This isn't the same way as stocks where things get shorted, though, I don't believe. So a lot of this is actually people selling. I have a feeling that what you're seeing here was a lot of panic selling. A lot of people got scared. A lot of new people got scared. A lot of whales got out and moved. But it doesn't mean they're not coming back. They make their moves the way they do. And I will go over that later when I show you our whale watcher and some of the ways that you can actually look at wallets for specific coins to see what's going on and kind of can follow the big money. So that way you stay clear of this crazy stuff. And that stuff is all done in real time, which we're in VETx and we're doing stocks, it's T+2. Crypto is all real time and it's 24/7. That's why we're going to go over it in the weekend and do some live looks at it. So that is what I have for you guys right now for my update. I think that we're going to play in this little zone unless something big, a catalyst happens that will make us either dive down further or shoot back up. Please let me know if this was in any way useful to you. What information would you like to know more? What would you like covered? Any indicators? Whatever it is, let me know. Please hit the like and subscribe. Share with your friends. If you know friends that are curious about crypto but don't know where to start, we're going to dive into that this weekend. We're going to start putting videos up that really go over the nitty gritty basics. I mean, I'm intending to actually have the phone up so you can see as we set things up and do buy orders and all that fun stuff. So I really hope you come and join us. With that being said, have a wonderful day and go make some money.